just about that how you are speaking. So you don't think that, sir, you have not given me good points. I want to support something. It's not like that. The national anthem should not must not be played in the theaters because of it's not working properly. It's not working properly with it doesn't work. It doesn't work. It doesn't work properly with the comparison of schools and colleges where we play national anthem because of in the theaters a public goes for public go for to go to watch only movie not for their nationally not to show their patriotism or not to get the knowledge about our patriotism. They just go for entertainment. So maybe it's not no, not maybe it must be not played in theaters. It must not be played. It must not be played in theaters. Okay, you need to cut her points for this.
Okay, would I say you are right? Like this?
You can say, in my opinion, first of all, you can say that, sir, you have said that it's not the place to show the patriotism.
Okay.
But in my opinion, that it should be played, and then you can give the reason that why it should be played.
Okay. Sir, you said national anthem is not should not be played for theaters and all. So from my point of view, I think from my point of view, national anthem should be played in cinemas because children know about
Children, not
children.
not children,
Okay.
children.
Children know about national anthem in school, but after school they forget our national anthem and patriotism.
Yes, ma'am. You said they forget national anthem, but children go to the cinemas in a month or in a year, one time or two time. But they go school daily. They go school daily. So how they forget national anthem? Because of it, it's a necessary for all the schools and colleges. So they memorized. They got memorized.
But they go schools and college only एक टाइम के लिए ही जाते हैं.
Only for one time.
Only for one time, but after finish their study, finish their study, they do their jobs and all. They are busy. They are busy in their work. So how they remind
How can they?
how can they remind
How can they remember?
how can they remember about national anthem and all? They just busy in their
They are just busy.
they are just busy in their life, so they don't have time for national anthem, for in flag hosting and our Indian वो independence day or
For Independence Day, for
they have no
Republic Day.
time for independence and republic day, so I think it should be played for theaters
in theatre.
in theater.
Yes, you said like that people go their work and they got busy. But in my point of view, people from my point of view, they memorized national anthem in their schools and their college, and in that time they have don't work they had not work they don't have work like that they forget national anthem. So but you said it must be played in cinema halls, but it must not be played in cinema halls because of it's not a good place like that. There is a many peoples who there are many peoples who don't stand for a national anthem and don't respect it. So it is a disrespectful for the national anthem. So it not be happened. It should not happen. It should not happen.
You said if national anthem played in theater, so it's a disrespectful for anthem. But from my point of view, if cinema hall plays plays
if it plays
if it plays if it plays in theater, so maybe if every day a national anthem plays in cinema hall, so people like too much in national anthem, because nowadays peoples go to the cinema hall, people go to cinema hall only for fun enjoyment and this. But um, but in independence day and republic days, so anyone people don't go for patriotism and all, they go just for fun and enjoyment.
Yes, you said they just go for enjoyment and entertainment. So it's a right. It happens that the people go to the cinema for enjoyment and entertainment. So why cinema owners do forcefully do force why cinema owners force their public to hear national anthem and to listen to listen national anthem to listen national anthem, because of there are many ways to where a people where a person can listen national anthem. They can also listen at home and anytime anytime when he wants to anytime they want to hear listen so want to listen. But in cinema there are people disrespect, because of that's the main reason to uh, it must be not in theaters. It must not be played in theaters.
You say if in theaters it played, so people should not like, people will not like. But in theater most of the time we see there is no place about Jai Shri Ram and all, uh, about bhakti bhav. So people just if they see one movie and there is a scene of Hindu and Muslim, so they just start Jai Shri Ram, Bajrang Dal and all. So why they do this? Why they don't watch movie? If they use this type of words, so why they don't use a national anthem?
Because of when the public says Jai Shri Ram and the Bajrang Dal at whatever you said, so they are not a good manner. They don't do it in a good manner. They just do for their fun and as well as their enjoyment. So it's not enough. It also be not. It also must be banned on theaters where the public can shout like that words.
Yes.
That words. So it must be banned.
Yes, you are right. But from my point of view, uh, if national anthem should be necessary in theaters, so I think director and producer can make movies or make movies
Make.
can make movies like patriotism, motivational and और कौन सी movies होती है
Romantic movies, action.
like this. मतलब they don't they I think they stop make vulgar movies.
Just if they stop vulgar movies or like movies that type movies, so how because nowadays most of the people likes that type of movies. If they stop the if they stop if they stop making the if they stop making that video that movies, so how they earn and how they work.
But they started they started, that's why people like that type of movies. And if if romantic movies and other movies are released, so people are going इंटरेस्ट के साथ जाएंगे.
People will go with interest.
हाँ, people will go with interest. But if motivational movies या motivational movies or patriotic movies are release so most of the people will not go. Why?
No, it's not happens.
It does
It,
not.
it doesn't happens because of it depends on their director or their trailer or as well as their story as well as their promotions. If the makers do their best on the movie and movie which any type of, so it works. It's not depends on their genre, etc. So if but like you said, it there are different in theaters. There are different types of public come. So if a theater owner if a theater owner uh, do if a theater owner we can also understand by example. And if public go to the theater to watch a action movie, and if a theater owner play, and the public are very excited for the movie, and they are waiting to start the movie, and suddenly a theater owner play a national anthem. So how they react, and how they and they also and the some of the people got angry. So this is the lossful step for the theater owners. Therefore the it must be it must be stopped in theaters.
You said if theater owner played national anthem before movies, so most of the people got angry. They are not prepared for national anthem and all. From my point of view, if they are played national anthem, if they played national anthem and they just manage our theater, they, they manage our theater with security and all, so I think people people don't get angry because they prepare for this.
Yes, yes, they can prepare, but most of the people not prepare.
She has got some good points.
Yes, but maximum of the people not prepared for this,
Are not prepared.
are not prepared for this because of because of uh, because of that what I trying to say, because of they are coming to they come to watch only movie, not the national anthem.
You said people go theater for only for watching movies. From my point of view, people go for garba only for dance. They are not going for aarti. But if aarti plays between garba, so they are prepared because they are going for the
How they prepare? Because they have they have not idea.
why they have
don't
not
have
not
idea.
idea because गरबा is a क्या बोलते हैं वो
Tradition.
गरबा is a tradition. Before starting गरबा they doing आरती, right? Yes, they doing आरती.
And
They
maximum
do आरती without doing aarti, how they can start.
yes
So
yes
people are prepared for this.
People prepare for.
People prepare for this because first doing aarti after start garba.
Yes.
So if 1 minute. So if theater owners कब पहले से करके रखेंगे?
If theater owners prepares before the movie.
If theater owners prepare before the movies and our audience know very well, we can, if we go, then first we listen national anthem, after 5 to 10 minutes start movies, like this. So people are prepared about for
People will prepare.
people will prepare for this. So why they got angry?
Why do they get angry?
Why do they get angry?
Yes, yes, I understand your point. And first I would like to clear your example. So you said a Garba honor. You said a Garba honor. First they do Aarti, and after that they start Garba. So that's the main reason where people try to come late after Aarti. Not all people come to attend Aarti. All of the people come to do Garba, and they come after Aarti. So that's the reason. And you said they have to prepare for the theater owner have to prepare for the and national anthem. So there will be the reasons where they didn't connect their audience, and they lost. They don't connect their audience, and they lost their audience.
They lose.
They lose their audience.
You said in Garba people go late people go late because they don't attend for aarti. So it's not good about it's not good for our culture, because because we are just going everywhere for just enjoyment, not for rituals and our culture. So it's a disrespect for our culture. So I think for our culture and our tradition for our tradition, we can try we can try we can yeah, we should
try.
we should try national anthem in theater.
Yes, you said unnecessary.
Necessary.
No, no, not unnecessary. No, you said Aarti is not is against our tradition. No, Aarti not attend the Aarti is against our traditional. So how people not come for that? They not come for they don't have they don't need they don't want to waste their time because of Aarti is very long, and they can do any other things in that duration. So they don't try to again to attend Aarti. And in like that in such like that in cinemas, they also try to, because of there are lots of peoples in a different religion and different types, so as well as. So if a theater owner if the theater owner plays national anthem, so they just anybody doing this another thing, and someone doing another thing, so it will be disrespectful for the national anthem. Because there are many places where we can play national anthem, where the public also make attention on this, and it will be respectful for this. So why we play our national anthem in that place where no one respect it?
You said if we played in theater if we play in theater, so people don't respect our national anthem, but in
No,
and
they don't have to disrespect our national anthem, but they
can't able to.
nahi, though they do by mistake or by because of play a national anthem play, and some of the persons come, and some of the sitting, and some of the going to washroom as well as, and the national anthem is playing. So because of the rules of join a national anthem is to first of all you have to stand on their position, and you need to because of in theater there are lots of people, so there is a many rush. So how they it managed, and how it got managed?
How will it get managed?
How will it get managed?
Okay. Do you have something to say? Take your time.
Before you said there is a many different religion like this.
No, I didn't say. I said, but
Different
I
different
didn't
types of people.
make the point on this.
Different types of people, and
Yes.
so from my point of view, most of the places we where we introduce we are Indian, so we just played our play our national anthem uh, in our tournaments, in our any games.
Before playing in Olympics and
Yes.
any state
So
competitions.
there we introduce we are Indian. So we just play our national anthem. So in theater when we are play national anthem, so it doesn't mean we just played national anthem directly. First we announce we played national anthem, uh, ready to prepare ready to prepare for national anthem. So people listen here, people listen, then they prepare for national anthem. So
Yes.
it doesn't matter how they manage. They know very well before starting movie they play national anthem. So we just attend, we just if they you said for garba arti they don't want to attend garba arti, so they
Forget Garba Aarti.
yes, so they go late. You said in theater, if they don't want to attend national anthem, so they will go.
So why you have to organize the national anthem where the people are not want to attend the national anthem?
So
Why you are
it's
not
their choice.
why are you not organizing where the people are wants, like colleges and schools where the people are trying to attend?
Not daily, but most of the time, if government programs and all, if it's when it is start on before start and after finish, so there they sing a national anthem, but I didn't see any other places. I don't see any other places where they start national anthem, start with national anthem.
Why there is a lots of places where the anything starts, anything national anthem had played before anything had started,
Where
like schools, in our schools.
I said in school, in colleges, and also government programs, when they start, they played national anthem. When they finished, they played national anthem. But any other areas and any other places, uh, people don't talk about national anthem, don't play national anthem like this, because
If in the schools there is no the first way the first place to where we have to where we need to do national anthem is a school. So if in the school there is not a national anthem, so how they do in theaters?
what.
So you got.
I didn't listen.
She said only a theater is the way where we where people where people have where people know about a national anthem.
Where people should know.
yes, we should know about the national anthem. But from my point of view, there are lots of people who do not go to the theaters, and how would they know? They know about the national anthem from schools and colleges.
Okay. On the same topic, there will be presentation.
Okay,
Now?
Yeah. So like you have already got the idea. So in presentation, you don't need to speak a lot of points. Just you can speak like 5 or 6 good valid points, but try to like have a command. Try to dominate it and speak with a smile and a calmness. Okay. Who would like to go first for the presentation?
Victor
No.
was first.